What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Get Free with Annie. That's me. I'm Annie, and my channel is all about finding you ways to get free through passive income. In a sea of get-rich-quick BS, we are weeding out the fluff and finding real ways to make legit money every day on autopilot before everyone else does. If that sounds good to you, then click subscribe to help my small channel grow. And you can always find all the information that you need linked in the description below, as well as timestamps if you want to just jump around in the video. Let's get right into this one today. Believe it or not, I am an introvert. And if you are here on my channel, you are probably trying to find a way to make money online. For whatever reason, because you hate your job, or you want to spend more time with your family, or you just want your time to be yours. But you probably have this little voice in your head on repeat going, I don't know if I can do this because I hate public speaking. No way I can be on YouTube. I can't make sales. I can't talk to people. This is crazy. I'm just going to go back to my safe, boring job that I hate. I know this because I had that same little voice in my head, and some days I still do. So how did I get past that? I found a mentor, a coach, and he trained me and helped me to get where I'm at now, making passive income every single day, thousands of dollars every single day. And he still checks in with me weekly just to see how I'm doing. It's life-changing. And so because of that, I'm offering something a little bit crazy. And if you want to be there with me to have him mentor you at the same time he's mentoring me, he and I have decided to team up and show 20 people how to do the exact same thing. It has to be only 20 people. I'm sorry it's not more, but it's going to be all face-to-face, one-on-one, step-by-step, hold your hand. So 20 people, that's it. So to apply, you can click the link below in the description, or you can click right up here. I'll have it linked up here somewhere too. So this is just a casual video of me and my mentor, Flo, chatting, and his colleague and mentor, Jay, just chatting about how I got started with Flo as my coach and mentor and how it helped me to get where I'm at today.
All right, today this is Flo. Today we have a special guest on our show, and her name is Annie, and she's going to tell us a little bit about her story and how starting an online business actually made a huge impact in her story. But before I do that, hello, how are you, Annie?
I'm good. How are you guys doing?
Great, great. So we're doing pretty great. So let's get right into it though. How do you start this online business journey? How did all of this actually get started?
Yeah, so probably like anybody else's who's listening's journey started, I just was sick of my 9-to-5 job, trading my hours for the dollar amount of someone else's choosing. And so I just started searching, on Google, how can I get free? How can I make passive income? Stuff like that. Went down the rabbit hole, and I came upon training from Ron Douglas called the APPS, or the Automated Profit Partner System, which basically shows you how to do affiliate marketing through Facebook Messenger. But it also gives you access to an affiliate program with a bunch of good products you can promote. I didn't really want to use Facebook Messenger, so I basically bought his training to get access to those products. And then I did go through his training just to get more knowledge, but I was trying to find a different way, a different platform to use other than Facebook. And so through that research, I discovered that Google owned YouTube, and that was a light bulb moment for me, because if YouTube is the #1 streaming platform in the world, and they're owned by the #1 search engine in the world, that's where I felt like I needed to be. So I bought this then
Right.
37 or something dollar, really cheap course to learn about YouTube. And it just felt like every other training I had ever done. It was just kind of like PDFs and videos, and it was very basic. And I just felt like something was missing. And I kept hearing all these really amazing internet marketers talking about how they had mentors and coaches. And I just felt like that's what I needed. And then boom, I got an email from you, Flo, talking about a live workshop where you would basically be holding my hand, coaching me through how to do high ticket affiliate marketing using YouTube. And I was just like, ask and ye shall receive. Let's go. So then I just went through that training with you, and here we are.
Perfect. So what would you say through our coaching with us, with Jay and I, what would you say was the biggest thing you learned that changed everything for you? What would be one takeaway that anybody listening, reading, or watching this should take away that really helped you?
That you do need a mentor and a coach if you want to level up, if you want to be that 1% that makes it, in internet marketing. Like 90-something% of people will buy a course and go through it and kind of just fall off the wagon after that because they don't stay motivated, or they get busy, or they get comfortable in their life again. But if you have a coach or a mentor checking in with you every single week, that's really the difference that it made for me. And then just to start, just start. Like I had so many worries that I was going to fail and mess up, and you are going to fail. So you don't really have to worry about that. You already know you're going to fail at some point. So just start. Just start making videos, start making content, just start. That's what I would say.
Yeah, so I know last month was your best month so far, I believe. What was that your best month, and approximately how much income was it?
Yes. I made, combined with the income from the YouTube commission, what YouTube pays me, and then what affiliate commissions I got, it was about a little over $4,000 last month in totally passive income from work that I had done previously.
Perfect. And was that,
sorry, you cut out.
Is that the net amount to you, or was it 8,000 in sales and 4,000 in commission, or do you have 8,000 in commission that's coming in over the next 2 months? I just wanted clarity on that. Mm-hmm.
4,000 commission, and I'm at 8,000 in sales.
Okay, and 8,000 in sales. And then what would you say your next goal is? Like, what's the next milestone for you then?
Yeah, my next milestone is to be making $10,000 a month consistently, so in profit. At which point I intend to quit my 9-to-5 job. And go ahead.
Yeah, because that's kind of the journey we're taking Annie to now. So her next step is to get to 10,000 a month, save up a little money so she can quit her job. And then what would you say? Because most people, that's what they want. They want to replace their income at their job, or if they're retired, they want to replace the income they were making pre-retirement so they can be free. That's why you actually started your website, and we helped you build that, Get Free with Annie, because that was the whole motto behind that site, is to get you free and then teach others how to do the same thing. So what would you say, though, to other people that are just getting started? I think you mentioned it a little bit earlier, but what's the one tip or piece of advice you would give people that are thinking about starting online, or they bought a bunch of things and haven't really taken it seriously?
Yeah, just start, and then just do one thing every single day, even if it's tiny, just one thing every day towards your goal, because the chances are you're not really used to working towards something else besides your regular job. And so you have to kind of turn that into a mindset or a habit. And to do that, you have to just start doing it again and again and again until it feels normal. And you just keep doing it and keep getting better. So just start and do at least one little thing every single day. And then just try to provide value. So instead of trying to make money and chase money, just try to provide more value and focus on that instead, because the more value that you provide, money will just come to you. So those are the two things that I would say. Just start and then just provide value to people and keep doing that.
Perfect. And a last question I'll ask. So in order to get to that 4,000 a month income, how many hours a week would you say you're putting into your business right now?
I probably put in 15 hours a week right now.
Okay, good. So, if you want to double that and get closer to 10,000, you're probably going to have to put in 25 to 30, but that's why we're coaching Annie through the whole process, so that we can help Annie give more value, so that without doubling her hours, she can still double her income. That's the next goal for Annie. You can follow Annie's story as well, become one of our clients, click on the link below. And so you could get updates on what Annie's doing, what we're doing, and what Jay's doing to reach the next level as well. So thanks for watching, everyone, and we will see you on the next case study.